Hi, it's Chris with WTI. Well, winter is just around the corner, and what better way to keep tabs on the temperature in the house as well as outside than this Acu weather station. The first thing that impressed me most about it is that it displays temperature and other readings from 4 different locations around the house. First is the upstairs, second the basement, third is the main floor where the unit resides, and fourth is outside. I like that it has a large color display with 3 brightness settings, high, medium, and low. We keep it on low most of the time, so it's not too distracting. It comes with 3 sensors. One is located outdoors in a shaded location, shown here, and the others are inconspicuously located on the top floor and the basement, respectively. The unit itself acts as a sensor of its own. A great feature, I think, is that the display for each location gives you a visual readout of your wireless connection strength. It also tells you if the battery in the remote needs replacing. It also has forecasting technology and gives you a visual estimate of imminent weather seen in the center of the screen. I have had this weather station for almost a year now, and I'm satisfied with its accuracy, and I think you will be too. And that's my point of view.